For the repair of the sewage probe sensor by Tyco KASSIDIARIS, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing we use a 5-volt DC power supply and a multimeter. Since we do not have a tank large enough to fully accommodate the sensor, we are testing it manually by giving it the corresponding stimulus by hand at the 3 levels, low, high, and high. When touching the sensor at the low position, the reading is 2.8 milliamperes. At the high position, the reading is 5 milliamperes. At the high position, the reading is 10.5 milliamperes. It is now clear that the sewage probe sensor by Tyco KASSIDIARIS is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the client.